Hi whole class! In English today we're thinking of using questions, and when we use a question, when we write a question, we have to finish it not just with a little dot, with a little full stop. We have to use a question mark. So today's lesson is called Question Time, and here is a question mark. Somebody is going to help us because if I've forgotten to use a question mark, we're going to have Captain Question Mark coming to the rescue. Okay, so look out for this superhero. It's not Superman. He looks a bit like Superman. He's called Captain Question Mark. And he makes sure that when anybody writes a question, they use this at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's have a look at the first part. The first part of our lesson is going to be thinking of different questions you can ask. So, different questions start with different words. This word says what? What? Okay, and this is the sign for what. What? What is your name? What is your favourite colour? What are you doing today? So your finger up and wiggle. What? What? Okay, this question word is when. You can see a clock there, can't you? And this is the sign for when. When? When is it your birthday? When is it going to rain? When will school open again? I hope soon. Let's have a look at the next question word. Where? I bet you've seen me in class do this one quite often. Where? Where? Okay, like that. Where? Where is your breakfast? Where is your pencil? Where is the dog? Okay, next one. Who? And we've seen this one before, haven't we? So that's your finger with a little circle in the air. Who? Who? Who is your best friend? Who can count to 10? This little girl's wondering. She's wondering why. Why? We make a little y with our hand on our chest. Why? Why does it rain? Why are schools closed at the moment? And this one is how. How? How? How do you make a cake? How does a camera work? Okay, here's some questions for you to answer. Okay, so I want you to listen to the question. I'm going to help you to read it, and then I want you to pause the video and answer it. Okay, the first question is this. What day is it? Oh my word, I've forgotten my question mark at the end. I've just done a full stop. Hang on. Captain Question Mark coming to the rescue. So can you see? The question mark has got a little dot under it as well, hasn't it? When you see that question mark, it's still got a little full stop. So we're just going to put it over that dot. Okay, so we don't need two dots. We need the question mark like this and one dot underneath it. Now that's a good question. So, what day is it? Pause the video and tell your grown up. Question 2. Captain Question Mark, please come and help us. Thank you. Now it's a question. Okay, question 2 is this. Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you live in Criggleston? Do you live in Castleford? Do you live in Normanton? Do you live in Wakefield? Pause the video and answer the question. Where do you live? Next question. Oh, come on, Captain question mark. I've forgotten again. Thank you. This question starts with the word who. Can you remember the sign for who? It was this one, wasn't it? Who likes playing Tig? Tig, you're on. Tig, you're on now. Tig, it's your turn. Who likes playing Tig? I know some children in Hull class that like playing Tig. Okay, here's the next question. Where is the cat? Come on, Captain question mark. Now it's a proper question. Have you noticed every question sentence has started with a capital letter? So we've got a capital letter at the beginning here and a question mark at the end, and fantastic finger spaces. Don't forget those. Where is the cat? Okay, next one. I know this question word. Oh, I've coloured in Captain question mark in pink. Let's pop him here. He's in position. When will it snow? Keep listening to the weather person and they'll tell you. When will it snow? Ooh, this is a good question. Look at the world here, the earth. It looks like it's melting because the sun sometimes is so hot. Capital letter at the beginning. If I was a teacher and I was in school, I'd be very happy with this capital letter, but then I'd have to get my green pen and I'd have to say, oh, don't forget to use a question mark at the end of a question. Captain question mark, you were ready, weren't you? He was going to come up and pop himself in position. Why is the sun hot? Do you know? Why is the sun hot? And the last question today is this. How? Do you remember how? How can I get on gold? Well, Captain question mark thinks you can get on gold today if you do your work for your grown-up, and your work is going to be, I would like you to write me a question, or maybe 2, or maybe even 3. You can write me a question, and if your grown-up takes a photo of it and sends it to me on Tapestry, I will tell you the answers, okay? So you might say, what is your favourite food? Or when do you like to go on a walk? Or how did you learn to play the guitar? You ask me some questions, write them down, and remember a capital letter to start your sentence and a question mark at the end of your sentence. Good luck, everybody. See you in tomorrow's lesson. Bye for now.